In this video, I'm going to show you how to split PDF in Bluebeam. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the very top here and click on Document, and then from here it says Split Document. So when you click on that, here you'll be able to go ahead and split your PDFs or your documents. So first you'll have to be able to select the one that you want to use, and then here all the pages. Of course, I'm just going to do all pages over here, and down here you can select how you want to split. So you can split by either page count over here or file size, so you could do that if you want to as well. And then you can go ahead and set these additional settings as well. Also select your destination folder, and then you can go ahead and just click on OK. So set this basically however you want it to be, and then just click on OK. So for example, I'm just going to do page count 1 over here, and I'm going to do all pages, and I'm just going to leave it like this. And if I now press OK, it's going to do its magic. And if I show you my downloads folder over here, they now basically have been split from page 1, 2, and 3 over here. And as you can see, all of them are split in a separate PDF document. So that's how to split. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.